Said it was making loud noises. What is this thing? Oh, there it goes. It's making some gurgling noise. I don't even know what this is. How to get in it. Look at this thing. Is it a heat pump? Gotta be. Let me get this top off. I think. I think it is. Never worked on this unit before.
I'll put my hearing aids in and then I can hear a little better. And then at night I can take them out and then I don't, if the furnace is acting up, it's not quite so noisy. All this crap. It sounds like the fan motor is, something's going on with the fan motor. Got electric heat. This thing. I am the only one that's acting up.
I don't know. Oh shoot. Shoot. Oh boy. Yeah, it tells you how to install it, but it doesn't tell you how to service it. How the heck do you get in this thing? Nothing to get in there. Oh boy.
making progress? Or
What was that?
I said, are you making progress?
I'm trying to get it apart. Find out.
Pretty tricky, huh?
Yeah, it's not very easy. How the heck are you supposed to get to that? How the heck are you supposed to change that? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Huh. That's the noise. Wires off the heat pump. It's all one motor. I don't even know how you get to it. Oh, boy. Holy crap. Those things are not at all service friendly. It's a Fredrich unit, heat pump, electric heat, 5K in a little box. Blower motor and condenser fan motor are all one, double shafted, ECM. Oh, I don't even know how the heck I'm gonna get it out of there. I'm almost wondering if the whole thing's got to be uninstalled, because I just don't know how I'm going to get it out. There's no room in there to work. I can barely get the top off. Just amazes me on what these manufacturers put in a little box. And they expect you to service it. Basically, the evaporator coil's up front. No access there. The electrical panel's there. I had to pop the top to even get a look at it. Fan wheel is all jacked up. And even if I had to replace a fan wheel, I couldn't get it off there without it ripping the whole thing apart. So I'm going to have to do some research to find out how to even get into it. Figures this is an after hours Saturday call, you know, and whatever. Not going to have parts for it. I don't even know who sells Fredericks around here. I don't even know where they came up with this design. I think this is a new. We do a lot of service here. We got 2 buildings in the back. It's a retirement home. But they built this building like 3-4 years ago, and apparently it's all electric. There's no gas to the building, no boilers, no nothing. And it's all heat pumps and electric heat. And these rooms are only like maybe, 200-300 square feet. They're not very big at all. So I got to figure out how to even get into it. So we'll go from there. You guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, and I'll get video of this one. Hopefully. I don't know. I think the thing's got to get uninstalled, if you ask me, to even work on it.